welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I've been posting some copycat Starbucks recipes. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my top 3 copycat Starbucks recipes, and let's get into it. So the first one is going to be a Funfetti Frappuccino, and for this recipe you'll need some Funfetti coffee creamer, sprinkles, some vanilla pudding powder, some milk and vanilla syrup, and lastly you're gonna need some ice. Okay, so there's not really measurement to this. I kind of just eyeball it. It's kind of just up to taste. Like if you want more milk, add more milk. So I'm going to fill my milk up to about like here-ish. I can always add more if needed. I'm gonna take my Funfetti creamer, and this creamer is so good. I just be having milk with the creamer inside of it, and it's delicious. And I know a lot of people be making fun of milk drinkers, but it's good. Don't make fun of me. Okay. So I'm gonna pour it to like right there, because you don't want too much or else it'd be like super sweet, because this is really sweet. So I'm just gonna put a splash of some vanilla syrup. This one has sugar in it because the sugar-free stuff doesn't really taste that good. So just a splash, not too much, but not too little. We're gonna put in our vanilla pudding powder. We're just gonna put in 1 tablespoon. This acts like a thickener, because if you guys go to Starbucks, you know they use a vanilla powder base. The vanilla bean frappuccinos have a powder base, but we don't have that powder base here, but this is perfect to mimic it. So this is optional. You can add in sprinkles, or you could just put it on top, or you can add sprinkles and put it on top if you want to be a little fancy. So I'm just gonna add some sprinkles in here, just for it to really look like Funfetti. Ooh, it looks like a cake. We're just going to now blend this all together. Ugh, I'm not good with tightening stuff or opening them. Okay. I did my little mixing mix. So then we're gonna put that on, and then we're just gonna scoop it with a spoon. It looks so beautiful! It looks like cake. Okay, so now we're just gonna scoop it in. Okay, be a little careful. You don't want it to get out the bowl. Ooh. Plop, ploppity it, ploppity pop it. And now for the final touches, you top it off with some whipped cream. I love whipped cream. Look how satisfying it is. Okay, that wasn't that good. And all the dogs come when they hear whipped cream. And then some sprinkles. I'm just gonna do a pinch. That's beautiful, mate. That is gorgeous. And then there we have it, a Funfetti Frappuccino. It tastes so good. It tastes just like a Funfetti cake. So moving on, we're gonna do my ultimate favorite. I always get this at Starbucks, a cinnamon toast crunch Frappuccino. So for this one, you're gonna need milk, of course, and then some cinnamon roll coffee creamer. This is literally so delicious. And then cinnamon sugar for the topping. And we also have this cinnamon dolce syrup. This is what they actually put in the Starbucks drink, and you can actually buy it. It's $14 from Starbucks, and you get this whole thing, and that's like the equal amount to 2 Frappuccinos, like the price. So it's a pretty good deal. And then also our vanilla pudding powder. So we're gonna start off with some ice. Let me waddle. Now we're gonna do our milk again, just like eye it, just eyeball it. A little more than that. Ooh, that's a lot. And then we're gonna put our classic cinnamon roll. And then, okay, 2 and 3. So I usually do 3 pumps, so that's perfect. And then again with our powder. Oh, we don't have a lot of powder left.
We have another box in the cabinet.
Okay. Yeah, that's about the same. And then, wait, that's it. Oh, for this one, you're not gonna put the cinnamon sugar inside like we did the sprinkles. We're just gonna put it on top. Now we're gonna blend this one up. Lock and loaded. So pretty. Mason jar. I feel like such a chef. Our spoon. Let me try to go a little faster on this one because I was very slow last time. Now for one of my favorite parts, whipped cream. Okay, that one came out a little saucy. Oh! No, cinnamon sugar. Just a pinch. Ooh, that's not a lot. Ooh, this is more sugar than cinnamon in here, but I guess it does.
You're the one that made the mixture.
Don't call me out.
Don't try and call me out like I'm the one that did it.
I didn't. Oh, it got cinnamon in my eye.
Don't worry again.
It's so good. I love this one so much. And it tastes exactly like the Starbucks one. We have a white chocolate peppermint frappuccino. This one is super good, super minty, super fresh. Oh my god, that was so cringy.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're gonna need for this one is you're gonna need some Starbucks syrup, peppermint, and you can also buy this at Starbucks, and look at how much you get. And then Hershey's white chocolate pudding. So this one's different from the other one because this one tastes like white chocolate and not vanilla. We're going for more of a white chocolate taste. And then a candy cane, you can crush up candy cane on top, but you don't need to, this is just an extra. And then we need some vanilla coffee creamer and of course, our Loving Beauty, some milk. We have these peppermint spoons. Always start with our ice. Then our milk. And as you guys know by now, just wing it. A little more than that. Yeah, like that. And then we're gonna add our French vanilla coffee creamer. French vanilla, not just American vanilla. I don't know what that even meant.
Me neither.
It's blowing in the wind. Eerie vibes. Scary vibes. Ugh. Oh my god, I can't open anything right now or pump anything. There we go. So this one doesn't have a pump, so we're just gonna pour it. Not too much, but again, not too little. That was I put a lot because I really like peppermint and I like the strong peppermint taste. Okay, and now we have our Hershey's. Okay. Boop. Perfect. Now I think fancy. Ugh. Okay. Now our last mason jar and our spoon. Ooh, this has a good consistency. Now for our whipped cream. Okay, that one was a little fancy boy. Oh, the cuties want some whipped cream. Got our plastic bag, candy cane, and our rolling pin. Yeah, cute and aesthetic. These spoons are so cute. And super pepperminty because I did put a lot of this stuff, but it's super good at the same time. And so here are the 3 Starbucks COPYCAT Frappuccinos. I love every single one of them. I do have to say, I think my favorite is the cinnamon dolce. So if you guys ever try any of these out, let me know. Also let me know what your favorite is, because I know I love to make these because my mom doesn't take me to Starbucks all the time, and these are perfect replicas. Also let me know if you guys want me to try more recipes or do other things in the kitchen, because I really love baking right now and I've been making a ton of stuff. So let me know if you guys want to see some of that. Also go check my Instagram because I post things I bake and make all the time. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, love you.